Me problem na service me maami aye. Me debut na tie. O ankasa e obusa me question bi a me mente ase. Because me problem na me ko from madam na chese madam from me papa na say dey. You have appreciated.
Yes, kind of TV na wani so a thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching. You can also follow us on Facebook, TikTok, everywhere. Kind of TV. The name you know already, Bonoman Ken, and you know say many one bishop, and most of the time, one bishop is here. But on my right hand, you can see another gentleman. What do I say? Another man, of course. Memo no angasa bonidi. Mbacho, we know Edison.
Oh, my name is Sulaiman Razak. I love to be addressed as Mr. Razak.
Mr. Razak.
Mr.
And you should never be a Mr. Razak. What do I say? But Mr. No doesn't mean that you are not single.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Which you are no design common.
They understand it.
No. And you go straight to the question.
Okay.
You go straight to the question of the day. What options so between the adventure aba on any side? Let's have your comments. Now the question is the two of you are friends. Moye nam for pa very very close and very tight. And truth of the matter I say ye krachi ene de wo eba kurum ha. But what I say wo na de no ba ye nkra ha.
Se makofo na fire kurase de number kurum.
Sane.
Wait Jimmy papa what it?
Now mo be duru ye no. Na akwakwa ese wo maame nso no. Watena che wo papa wu ya che. Ono kwa atena wa ya da kwa ama emfie bebre apa.
It is smoky bo.
But krachi be duru kurum ha no. O maame hwe no as obowura fie obi ana ne machine bran.
Wow.
Obowura fie obi ana ne machine bran. And enye se ne machine say osuro
Pity.
exactly.
And
I say wo ye kronfo ana wa ye boni bi. But the whole thing is say o maame ani ye den. Eje no ye pa. Ena maame e de ato nanim. Ena o de woto wonso wani. Se opese nka one wadamfu. Eye den. E hyehyɛ ho. What I say? Now, man, you. No. What down for me? What can a man? What they about? You know what you man? Obey. Now, also, let me move it from this angle. Free in front of family. Mr. Razak.
You see, thank you very much.
this man.
Firstly, he needs to say the word thank you to me.
I could have killed a lot.
Okay, for
Taking care of the mother.
okay.
You see, let me just explain for you in a simple language.
Jimmy for
The mother has been there for long.
Of course.
The father is dead.
Exactly.
Somebody needs to take care of the mother. Let me give you a very nice example that sort it out.
You damn shit, baby.
You haven't loved the car. And for one reason or the other, you abandon the car.
What bodam, Papa?
Forget the engine begins to get rusty. Some of the panel of the body begin. But you
Battery
need
safe with that.
exactly what do
God have mercy upon
you need to service the car to bring the car to life. That is what I am doing here. So I am doing a favor to the mother and you. Because if I fail to do that,
Abua, who's at the end? Dismiss.
God bless you.
And it
And
will affect them.
looking at it again, the mother see a fine boy. The mother appreciates what God put on my body. The mother appreciated me. I did not. So you should be happy. I, as your own guy, is taking care of your mother. That's it, because with me, I dey manage it well. I don't want to make a sport.
What about them?
I will not do it in
No, I will not allow him to talk like that. Master, you want wait, I beg, wait. No, this is not my boss. So
Let him talk. Let him talk.
he's talking too much. He won't take care of my mother. He'll be midwife. You be midwife.
Okay, let me explain
No,
something.
I dey ask you you be
I dey do the work wey pass midwife for your mother.
one kasa no.
No. I dey do the work wey pass midwife for your mother.
Entino me tiasia simply no.
Yes.
Puputi. You won't even reject it for a moment.
So
Over tiasia service here.
God will be angry with me if I should reject that kind of proposal. God will be angry with me. You see, even though in the Bible it's a pity I'm not good in Bible quotation. There was a portion God said there were too much women.
You dumb shit, baby.
We do what? We should look after them and take care of them.
What bother, Papa?
What I am doing.
So you are going to take care of the widow.
Because nobody is there to do it, and I am rendering that service.
Who said the end?
You should appreciate it.
And 2 years, I'm a Juma.
You should be paid. I should be paid for it.
Don't you think, sir, he is even doing a favor?
Thank you.
Favor for what? No. Me problem na service me mama ye. Me debut na tie. O ankasa e obusa me question dia me ntia ase. Because me problem na me ko from na chese madam from me papa na say de.
We have appreciated. No, we have appreciated somebody else to come and do.
Me say
the poison.
Me say wait. Come on poison. Come in a through. Now we marry me mama. Not just ordinary you know mama obewe no. Na madam for me. I don't know tie. I don't know me kwa frɛ no. Me papa me ana me dey.
Like I could have killed a lot of
I am not asking you to call me your father, even though I am your father.
Okay.
Hey, I am your father.
You are the father.
You don't need to call me. Once I am taking the charge, what your father could not finish, and I have come into that gap, I automatically become your father. Okay. So the same respect I also deserve it, but that is not the argument.
That means even if he misbehaves, you go sack him.
Oga, listen to me. I don't allow even my sister to go date with my friend.
The issue now, it is not your sister. The conversation is that your mother is lonely.
Okay. Kind of TV, subscribe to the channel for me. But what I say, owner this instance, young fan say, owner we are brandy, and as owner brandy we are. And what will you do?
Say me mama pen or dia. The man say, oh, so no. It's quite a fast one. Come in, plus mammy, and I give mammy.
Fast so I didn't buy room.
Fire, my fast. The enemy, I call a minute myself for a crash yaba. Into a baby, I will cronum. Some mammy, I appreciate your mother. Why should I reject your mother? Why don't you reject it?
Saying yes to your mother is doing you a favor.
You are a bad man.
Oh no.
This man is a bad man. If my mother come to tell you like this, you have to come to me. One be sure this is what your mother is saying.
And don't forget, your mother too from before coming to me.
And you know my last question of the day. Yeah. Young fan say Bishop, when I mean this. Young fan say, what I say? But Okobe, Ubedru Fieno, Udru Ho. Na crachi no mami. Wait, have you me na over 2 almost no. Nka be den. Chese obebu
He has no right to touch me.
Come to tell say and to magono ke.
Let me use this platform to educate
me. Hey, Dabio, woni dem me ba me nkasa. Na dem ne say, so me ba no me mo wie. Wo wie a me mame.
Yeah.
What I say? Me tun fo bi mame nyam. Ti de be ne say, so wo ti fio mi so mo fio.
Ba choje wa de.
Kutama me, ko me ni abre.
Okay.
Me dada me mame de na pie. So wo hye ho. Na me twa petrol ni ja to fie ni.
I want problems always.
Let
me cut now.
Okay. Let me use this medium to educate him. Okay. Irrespective of it, this is Ghana way.
This man.
Don't forget that when they saw adultery or sex relationship, they have no law under Ghana.
I could have killed a lot.
For instance, in the process, you have a relationship with your mother and you caught me in that process. You have no fundamental right to touch me or to touch your mother. It's a law in Ghana.
It's a law, but he's not talking about law.
I'm not talking about law.
No, I am
talking about feelings.
I am no
emotions.
No. You see, we need to educate ourselves there. It's a platform of education.
Of course.
He has no right
to
touch any one of us. The last thing he can do is to address his mother.
Hey!
As long as the mother still knock on my door, I will be available to
open.
So it means that the door opens 100 times.
I'm laughing like you.
Alright.
And don't forget, the mother is above 18. And she has the right to decide what she wants and what she doesn't want, which you don't have the right to dictate for her.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Razak, for coming And thank you for your views as well.
And thank you, Temi Pano. Okay, thank you, Temi. Some now can what you some now there be some
okay, please. I would like to ask you some question. Your mother in question, how old is she?
My mother is 25.
Thank you. 95 years old.
You go chop. No, you go chop 95.
The woman in question. That me, I know. Not only for me. People come I'm in my 35 to 40. The woman we are talking about is around 56. And she still has a structure, still has everything.
It's not about the age. He's saying that.
I am telling you, the age is not the factor. She's still in the process.
It's not a factor for you.
Yes.
And I have your views.
Thank you.
But he's also saying his views.
It's not a factor to our people as well.
Let's also see the views of the people under the comment section. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. It's Skynet TV everywhere. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Thank you very much. The name you know is Bonoman Ken.